Hi, today I will teach you how to plot, and this is only part 1. There will be another part. Okay, let's start. So let's say you want to print this. Plot is what we call printing in AutoCAD. Instead of the word printing, it's plot or plotting. So let's say you want to plot this or print this layout. So what you have to do is first know the size of the paper you want to print. Let's say A3, A4, A1, A2, like this. So first you have to check the size file, go to plot. Later we'll discuss about these things. Plot. Now here we have to choose a printer. Since I don't have a installed printer, we're just gonna use a PDF. Actually, PDF is better to print, because if you have if you need to print it outside, you have to save it as a PDF file. So no need to make this adjustment here for the line types. Later I will gonna discuss this in other parts. So first, PDF if you don't have a printer. Now here you have to, let's say A4, or let's say A3. Usually better to use the ISO A3. Don't use the one with the word expand. So this is expand, so let's use the normal only, A3. The size is 420 millimeter by 297. So we will gonna use a rectangle size 420 by 297, or let's say 410 by 290. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, 420 290. So rectangle, REC, at, okay, again rectangle, pick, let's say somewhere here, pick like this, at 410 by 290. Enter. So it's small, so we have to scale it into 10. Scale, pick to the base point, let's say in the end point here, then input 10. Another, again, let's say 2. Another, let's say 1.5. Yeah, so let's say it's like this. Now this rectangle is just a reference that this is the size of the A3. Now when you plot again, go to print, go to file, or Control P, plot, then try previous. The previous, it means whatever the last setting in this printer setting or plot setting, it will return to the previous, whatever the last setting that you made. So before I use an A1 with my pen assignment is Pulgasi, so we'll just use again the A3. Now here you'll see 420 290. We made the rectangle 410 by 290, and try to just make this thing AutoCAD, because usually it's default AutoCAD or none. Okay, window, pick there and pick on this. As you can see that there's a rectangle, no, showing like this. It means whatever the rectangle that you're gonna select here, like this one, then this is the print that it will gonna show. It's small, so you have to, oh, let's say, let's preview. It's small, right? Yeah, it should be, this rectangle should be up to here, this edge here. So escape. So just check the bit of paper. As you can see here that the scale is 33.28. so we're just gonna use a it should be coming more, let's try 40. What will happen? It's getting bigger now. So bit, let's say if it's 33, it's like that. So it means if we're gonna bit of paper, remember this size, 33.28. 33.28. So we have to rescale this rectangle that we made into 33.28 to 40.00. So let's scale. SC, enter, select, enter. Let's say your base point will be SC, enter, select, enter, pick on the center here. Now reference will be 4000 because scale is not I don't know, it's not using the point. So instead of 40.00, just make 4000 over, what's that again, 33.28. instead of 33.28, make it 33.28. then enter. It will gonna make it bigger. Yes. Now we'll try to print again. File, plot, previous. See, now its previous is ISO A3, AutoCAD, window again, click the window, pick here, pick here. Now if you make the fit of paper, it's exactly 40. So when you print preview, now when you print this thing, in the scale it's scale 40, 1:40. Now if you want to scale it into 30, just scale again, select the rectangle, enter, base point on the center of this rectangle. So we will not gonna move this rectangle again, just make it on the center, and then instead of 40, let's say 30 over 40. It means you want it to be scaled in 30 and the previous is 40. Enter. Now plot again, file, plot, previous, window, select the square, the rectangle. Now as you can see here, bit paper, it means it's 30 now. Now this is scale 30. Now you can put title block here, your text here, name here, title of this layout, like this. Now if you want to not to show this rectangle in the plot, you just select this rectangle and make it the layer dip points. It means the points, it will not show this rectangle in the plot. Okay, plot, previous, remember previous, no, and then 30. Now the rectangle is not showing anymore and it will not gonna print. Now here it's coming yellow. So if you don't want to make it yellow, if you want all of this is black, escape. Now just gonna change here in the AutoCAD pen assignment, this pen assignment, click, let's say we're just gonna make this thing all, select all, select on this red, select on the red, go down, press and hold the shift key in the keyboard, then select up to here. Now remove the shift, or unclick the shift, choose color, make it black. Then this is default, screen default, on default, line weight. If you want to make a line weight like let's say 0.13. Line weight is like the pen, like a pen, that the thickness of the pen. Yes, that's why it's pen assignment. So save as, let's say this is flat. Save. Now save and close. Now here you have to choose the plot that you save. Plot. Yes. Now if you will gonna window again, or let's say, oh yes, window again, window, just to make sure that it's the same thing. 30. Your pen assignment is flat. Preview. Now it's black with the thickness of. Now you can see here that this is gray because escape again, flat, pen assignment. That gray is one of this. We did not make this thing black, so let it as is, these things. And preview. So when you're gonna plot this thing, just make OK. Oh, by the way, sometimes if you will gonna see this one, no, it's, you see this less option. You will notice that if you make the first plot, it will be like this. Just click this arrow, so it will gonna show the pen assignment here, this one. Now preview. Okay, make it okay. Okay, now just save. Now it will gonna show, I did not install yet the Acrobat, so it will gonna show here PDF in this Microsoft. So it's like this. So you can save in the USB or send it in email, and then just tell them to plot this PDF file, and it will gonna show like this one. You can see here, see the pen assignment is 13.13. that is 0.13. Now if you will gonna change this, let's say change the green into, go to plot, more thicker, no, cancel, yes, file, plot, we're gonna make the green thicker. Previews again, green, make this thing just to show that it's gonna make it thicker. Save and close. Preview. See, it's now thicker. If you want to change this thing into red, just go to plot again, pen assignment, green, make this thing red. Save, preview, it's now red. It's like that. So this is part 1 of the tutorial for this plotting. So next time we're gonna make the part 2 in the layout here. Yes. Okay, thank you.